Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Hello everyone, welcome. This is Dr. Jacobs. In this video, I'm gonna go over the 7 causes and risk factors for tennis elbow or lateral epicondylitis. Understanding and knowing those 7 risk factors and causes will help you if you have tennis elbow to decrease the risk of getting it worse. And if you don't have tennis elbow, just by understanding those repetitive motion will help you to avoid the excessive use of those motions to decrease the risk of possibly having tennis elbow in the future. So when we have a tennis elbow, usually you will have pain in the outer part of your elbow, right in here, and you can see it here in this image. And usually one of the common causes and risk factors is backstroke or back handling. That's what, especially when you're playing tennis. So first risk factor is back hit with the racket using backstroke. So the other risk factor, painting. So if you are a painter or you're painting a lot without taking frequent rest and alternating with the other hand, high chance you're gonna develop a tennis elbow. Driving a screw, especially you're going the outward motion, that's another risk factor. You're gonna have repetitive strain injury from the frequently of doing these motions for a prolonged period of time. So that's the third risk factor. The fourth risk factor is repetitive computer mouse use. So when you use a mouse for a very long time without rest, without proper sitting ergonomic or hand posture, you might develop tennis elbow from that. The fifth cause could be from cutting food, so using a knife and cutting, chopping food. Plumbing could be another risk factor and cause. That's number 6. And lastly, it's very common with adults between age 30 to 50. So that's usually the age group that commonly experience tennis elbow. I will leave a link underneath this video for the 3 powerful natural treatment that you can do it at home to relieve or get rid of tennis elbow. If you have any question or comment, leave it in the comment section and I will answer it in a future video. See you soon. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below or go to astrinstitute.com.